Hey there everyone, TESLAPEG here. Today I'm gonna do a quick video on how you can get the Aero wheel covers off of your tires in your Tesla. So if you don't know, these aren't the alloy wheels that come with the Tesla. There's actually nicer wheels underneath. I'll show you guys in a minute, but these are actually plastic. So the reason why I've been keeping these on is because in the wintertime I have a standard range plus, so in the wintertime I would need as much range as I needed, and these Aero wheel covers actually give you around 20 to 30 kilometers extra range. So I wanted to leave them on for the winter, but it's summertime. I wanted to open them and I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like underneath. There's actually alloy rims underneath this, and I'll show you guys in a minute. So what you need is a screwdriver, just a simple screwdriver, and you just take it in and then you just slide it here. And you want to be as careful as possible. You don't want to really break the Aero wheel rims. So you want to get in just like that, push it in, kind of pop it. So now it's popped. I'd say go to the other side, see where the other clip is, and then just stick your screwdriver in there, and then just carefully, slowly pop it. And then now it's almost off. Go to the last side, pull and see where the clip is, and then just stick your screwdriver in there. Always use this side of the screwdriver, don't use the plus side, I mean the star side. And then stick it in there and pop, and then we just have two more left. So I'll just pull and see where the most, oh, that's a mosquito. Okay, so you want to pull and see where the clip is. So the clip is right here. I would want to come here and then just simply pop. There you go. And then there's just one more left. It's probably just give it a little pull here. So it's fully off. You wanna take it off like that, and there you go. It comes off just like that. Yeah, I need to wash that off. But it looks very dirty right now. But as you can, if I can show you guys, it's pretty. It's not matte black, but it's kind of, I'd say, silver-ish. So it doesn't, like, you can get it, you can change it, you can change the rims, you can change, or you can just, I don't know, paint them to a matte black color so it looks nice, and you can get chrome delete on your car as well and it look really nice. There's also cover for these that you can find in the Tesla website. They're around $50. So I kind of washed off the tires for you guys to see what it actually looks like. It's actually dark silver, so it's not matte black, but it's a dark silver color. It definitely looks nice. If you get the Aero wheel cover kit, like I said, it'll definitely look nicer than the Aero wheels for sure. So this is actually what it looks like. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can get the Aero wheel cover off. It's very simple. It's like a 15-minute job on all the four wheels. You can I'd say go to Tesla's website, buy the cap kit for $50. You get the covers for all four tires. So if you want to have the Aero wheels cover open for summer, I'd say definitely for sure go for it. And if you want to have them back on for the winter, I'll just show you guys how you can put them back on. So this is the Aero wheel cover kit. So here's where the air goes in for the tire. So you would want to see where this is, and then just push it in like that, adjust it, and then just push it in to the clips. It's very simple taking. It's very simple getting the Aero wheel cover kit back on. It's just clipping it on. It's fully clipped on. So that's all I wanted to cover on today's video. So number one is just go to Tesla's website and get the Aero wheel cap kit for $50. and you only pay $50 for all the 4 tires. So they give you the covers for all 4 tires, and you need to take the Aero wheel cover off. Don't try and take it off, like be as gentle as possible. Don't use a screwdriver. Use this side of the screwdriver. Don't break the Aero wheel cover kit, because when you're road tripping, I would highly recommend you putting on the Aero wheel cover so that you get that extra range when you're road tripping. But other than that, if you're city driving in the summer and you want nicer looking wheels, you can definitely take the Aero wheel cover off, and you'd have these underneath and have the Aero wheel cover kit on in them, and have very nice looking wheels just like that. And if you want a change of wheels, you can just add this on. I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Goodbye.